Hello everyone, today video we are making coconut chutney sauce. Coconut chutney sauce is a side dish made of coconut pulp ground with other ingredients such as mango and coriander and green chilies to enhance the flavors of various meals. Coconut chutney originated from South Indian and most often served with snack dishes. To make coconut chutney, the key ingredient here are coconuts and unripe mangoes and some chilies. So to make this coconut chutney, you need to have some coconut. Already have mine grated, and I have some unripe mango and some lemon, some onions, coriander, and garlic. These ones are organic. That is why you are seeing they are very tiny. And some ginger and the chili pepper. If you like it hot, you can adjust. You can add more and some salt to taste. So without wasting time, I'm just going to add everything in my blender and blend them together. Just mixed everything except except coriander, dhania, which I will add later after everything has been blended nicely. Add a little water. This one I just eyeball. It should not be so loose. We are looking for a thick sauce here. If you're clicking my video for the first time, you are most welcome. And if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing. Help my channel grow. Give me a thumbs up and share the video with others. Thank you. It's ready. This is the consistency I was looking for. Now this is the point I'm adding my coriander, and I'll slightly blend it to mix with the other ingredients. Chutney is ready. This is it, and it's looking lovely. I'll squeeze some lemon to give it acidic taste. Then mix it well and it's ready. And you can serve it along with any snack of your choice. It was nice having you around. Thank you for watching this video up to this end. I will see you in my next one. If you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.